hope you're planting along with me. If you plant something every day, you're gonna have something grow. You might lose a little bit, but in the end, you're gonna win. See, I even wore my rubber boots out here just in case. I don't think I got a drop on them. Now, if you had water running around your garden, could you plant? That reminds me, we gotta put something in the ground. It is May 1st. That means butternut squash. So it come raining again last night. It's gonna rain again tonight. We got water running around the garden. I know that's butternut squash that we started in a container. And I had planted seeds in these 3 holes, and they'd started to come up, but something got them. Now I know these seeds, we've got zucchini and straight neck squash. And then we have a couple starts that we split apart back here. They're doing fine. So when your seedlings disappear, what do? Well, you put some more seeds in the ground. Let's plant a little bigger hill, see if we can't get 1 or 2 to make it. This is the newest part of the garden, and I'm afraid I didn't get the mulch in here quite as thick as I should have. I think we got a little bit of grass trying to come through. We'll work on that. We'll just add more mulch. I never said I didn't weed, I just said I didn't like to weed. Right here's a good example where I pulled the mulch back, allowed the sun to hit that ground. We got a couple little pieces of grass trying to push through. Not a big deal. Pull it up, it becomes part of the mulch. Now don't get me wrong, it's still plenty wet up underneath here, but it's dry on top and you can walk on it. Our carrot hack did wonderful. We got a really nice stand of carrots coming up here. Check this out. So I guess all it takes is a few claps of thunder and a couple inches of rain. I got turnips coming up everywhere. Well, I don't see any peanuts up yet, but I imagine pretty quick. Our cucumbers are doing pretty good. And oh my goodness. Can you see that? On the way to the sugarcane patch, we come across a whole bunch of okra coming up. But we got sugarcane thick. And our lemon cucumbers are doing really well also. And it looks like we got some cowpeas up. And our first orange watermelon has broken the ground. But that's one of the beauties of planting something every day. Because then every day you get to come out and find baby sprouts. And then in a few days, you got nice greens. And then in a few days, you can start harvesting vegetables. And in a few more days, we're gonna be harvesting fruit. Well, I just can't wait till those blueberries get ripe. Talking about fruit, let's go look at the strawberries. With that rain, we want to get them off before they swell up. Of course, I got scolded yesterday because I didn't bring any in. Yeah, it's gonna be really hard for me to make strawberry jelly. Because I could never find any strawberries in the garden. Oh. At least that's my story and I'm sticking to it. You can do this too. And this is why we do it, because it tastes great and the reward is worth every effort. Till next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.